Bula Venaka, and a very good morning to you all. We're here this morning for the third distribution of funding under the Landowners SEED Fund grant. Here today are the latest round of our landowners, each of whom are set to grow their role in our economy and their share of Fijian prosperity by receiving an injection of financial capital to back compelling ideas in business and development. By themselves, some of these individual projects may seem small, as I had mentioned in the Itaukei language. They may only support a single family or a small community. But together, across Nosori, Teilevu, Bua, and Ba, these projects are cogs in a much larger engine of economic growth and development. As hardworking Fijians such as yourself use seed funding to start or expand your farms or launch other income-generating projects, you are creating opportunity and prosperity for yourselves, your families, your matangalis, and our nation as a whole. This initiative, as I mentioned, was born from intimate discussions held between myself as chair of TLTB and landowning communities at the provincial and village level across the country. With the security of Itaukei land forever enshrined in the Fijian Constitution, our landowners were ready to seize new economic opportunities. But they were sending us a clear message. While they wanted to pursue new businesses and bring big ideas to life, they lacked the upfront capital to make that happen. 3 years ago, as I mentioned, we delivered this funding initiative to back the resourcefulness and abilities of you, our landowners, with capital investment, giving you the resources to leverage the full value of your land resources and turn your dreams into reality. In 2017, we began this initiative with a total allocation of $200,000. Last year, that amount grew to $350,000. This year, we are distributing $500,000 in seed funding to 56 landowners and landowner groups. And this initiative is funded directly from the profits of the Itaukei Land Trust Board. Anyone who has run a business will tell you, smart leaders don't let profits go to waste. They reinvest them into to spur greater productivity. I can't imagine a smarter use of resources than investing in you, the women and men whose sweat and ingenuity are building Fiji's future. In addition to this, my government, as you know, is also funding the subdivision of Itaukei land to help realize bigger profit margins and community-wide gains directly to land-owning units and wider community gains, creating economic opportunities for all Fijians. Apart from developing your own land, I also urge Itaukei landowners to also lease their land out for 99 years. Under our Constitution, you will attract market rates for the entire tenure of these long-term leases. This is a big opportunity on the table for long-term leases for agriculture purposes and other economic sectors, which position our country for greater economic growth and secure a steady flow of cash and long-term prosperity for you as landowners and for your future generations. Since becoming Prime Minister, I have made my definition of national progress quite clear. Progress only counts when every Fijian sees the benefits. Not only the elites, not only those from certain provinces with certain parents and with certain friends in high places. None of you sitting here, none of you are sitting here because you knew the right people. You're sitting here because you brought a bold idea to the table. You saw an opportunity, and the TLTB is giving you means to turn your ambition into a livelihood. But the value of this project goes deeper than the short-term cash you are able to accrue today. By opening access to seed funding, we are creating a culture of sustainable economic development, the benefits of which will build momentum over generations. That's why we call it seed funding in the first place. Government is planting and watering a seed with the hope that it will grow and flourish into something bigger and more beautiful. When you pursue a new project and succeed, your community members see that happen. Young people in your Matangali see that happen, and they want to follow your lead. The precedent you set, your single breakthrough success story, can go on to inspire generations of business owners who have seen what success looks like firsthand and hunger to taste it on their own, fostering a culture of entrepreneurship that transforms Fiji into an economy of job makers rather than job takers. I want to make an important point. There are critics out there who will lie and say these seed funding grants are handouts or freebies. When they say that, they think they are insulting my government, but really they are insulting you, the hard-working people who want to make the most out of this opportunity. When those critics make those claims, what they're really saying is that they don't believe your ideas merit investment. But that's not my government's mentality. We believe in you. That's why we're funding your ventures. That's why we're matching equity for large-scale projects in your communities. And that's why we will continue to stand by you, the small drivers of our large economic growth, as we take Fiji forward. I encourage all landlords to start think differently and bigger when it comes to your development and business ventures. Our economy is diversifying, our industries are evolving, and new opportunities are arising. Just because something hasn't been done before in your community, or even all of Fiji, it doesn't mean that it is a bad idea. In fact, some of the biggest breakthroughs come from trailblazers who are willing to challenge the status quo. Outside of this funding program, we're helping young Fijians launch especially innovative ventures through the Young Entrepreneurship Scheme, the YES program. Because as our entrepreneurs of all ages succeed, so succeeds the Fijian economy, and so succeed our fellow Fijians. I look forward to watching the seeds we plant today grow in the months and years ahead. You, my friends, now have the opportunity to take ownership of your future, improve your communities, and prove now more than ever the Fijian dream is alive and well. Matatamina sa chikunta songo ni watame indai menda mai wase na bibu ke voi lau. We kamnisa ni to kinigele ka waktu babalang sa chikuna Landowners SEED Fund grant. Matatamina sa chiku kendan tamo muria sa chiku ni tu mongo sa katul ni ngona. Yusat. Katul ni ngona mesuli kina na bibu ke na umui labongo kasa wakara umenta panjin tak na non sa wakara umai tour na non repoto na kanda kamele wakabutu kana takikin na non tatanda membaleta na wa taking gele sena susuman man go dona ngona langi na matentu baleta ni sa wakara bukai tabi na kana takata na kemuning gele merau ni bukan anu ni roka builau katarada kita lenga na ituwa kini beka builau ni nonda matentu kau kain tara da andun dona bi bukan go ya nabi sombe orang tukun nabi lay ka re mulmulumu melatini na bukan ngai dona bu wale se doanga na tiko ya ninda umana patana bi patango kakubuti no sorry o te levo mboa ke mba enda na reda na buita mera ne bibu ke sa ta ka tiku metre da na mbula ni bu wale ka buke na bi batur te ta ki no ndama tentu na bibu ke sango era ni sibera taki ke kina ndona longni tabe ko levu Rani taraki na baini buaka se takakina na baini bulmakau raw sa talanga ni windaikin na namni ngel me listaki ena namni ngumatu na rawa tiki na nambulo sautu ke na nonra tiku binaka na huwale na matangali na koro katare biti talanga na kena binaka e bu sanga mai na bi kungo na bi talnoa ke kumni na lele bunwa bakam bimbe na ngona siko sa tu ni kena na bi sana kena bi korkor me bakani e marro e binaka tu na ya ni populo anan kel ni toke e lo revotu na nomni nganga ne toke ni gele moni taka me ko huri labo bi kumni ya e kanira ra ni sangati ko na bi ka boy labo me taka tekina na bi ka ni ngandrewa na matentu sango sa do worongo di kumni na le bunua ka taka na bi ka ni do ngandrewa na tul sa nambak sauti te utik sa kina na bi bugongo merao ni wakila watoto kuna token ni ngele ni saundina wakila ni ngele ni token ena runon dolo tin kabitu ate utik na bi bugongo ena runon dolo na dola ena baksa sibi baksa oti tumbudak sa na wil ni labungo na tulon raw lim sa bulon dolo na dola ena bagingo sana potekina ilimanan raw na undolo ng dola. Wikim ni nalim sa vulkan na ito kiningele kaya na isang ko ni indaw titi. Nabibugusan ko kau makatambag indo may na tumbo rawata na matambos ningele maroy ni tauke. Ore kaya na daw dito baging business binaka na tukuna wikim ni nirnasang ni wakawala na natumbo bagay labo. Karena sulia na bunua me buria talima ele buna tumbu iyan nanung mantentu sang talangani rede ndo na bunua binaka me pangateki na tumbu ngori mena kena soli suka tale yani bikamuni na le bunua meroni buke na nomni bu wale katare dake na tumbu bagay labo ni nonda bunua anandal sa ni nungu bilu take tikutela ndo tinga na ya buni nungu wa madala takana we motor dake take ya na bi motor da kitindina sai ko anda reda na kana bo tukana bi kumni na le bunua ngo endo na kana e bo dindina na nomni ko to mai na nomni bo tutu membala na kana bana taki na kumni ngele ka sa tiga ni ngo na boto ko ilabo me bu ke kumni ne wal sani bi bu ngo sang sa wala ngani bu ke kumni bo ilabo bu ke talanga na tunde ne nomni di ba business katarada kena pakatangin dengan ini bula, ngona tete sangkara pun matentu membala cikamuni, sangkai ibu na nomuni laki ibu tumbur na ite ungo, ena nomuni bunua. Kamuni sana be kani, erna gore kamuni na nomuni tokanyo erna kamuni bula bata, nyoni rawata buka bina kana nomuni tag, erni tampangone na nomuni matangkali, erna sasanga merah muria na nomuni takak. Nabi ka usi buni sarawata nabi ba unge ti ko beira nando ni business karena ngutu ti ko mera nando ni business binaka ka tumbu ni business ko ka kina nando bunwa ngondre ba me pore ta wondo ni lebu ti ko na bosa ni velos ta ke rongo ti ko kar tu ko ni labo soli ti ko ya na matentu e soli ko loloma do bera ba ka na soli na matani kuwa nanu mana bosa cikongori ni non robosa ena mai bota dana nanu ko kata kan ibi botor de tak na matentu o bi tu gona ni singin indi no gori na bosa era tabuta era mbeta tiko kina nanu ni takata ka ngumatu na le ni bunwa ka ni banga takatiko na bi bu kini matentu muni bukan durin business kina ni tabuti tiko na bosa ni bi los takoya kene mbale ni rasanga ni bi bombo titi kina ena no ni bo ndurin business na ora saka na bosa yena no matentu e bo bombo titi kemuni kangandre bo muni roka mitumbu na no ni business o ya na buna e bi bu saka tukin na matentu kina no ni sasang kanuita kin bi sasang kedongo ena buata na mbula bo ilabo ni nondo bono nina toman sa tigo na sango ka tumbu me babo tukana na kana vingarabi usa baungeti kamni na itoke ningele me sa tandola na iwakarau ni nomuni rai me rai mbalabu na nomuni na kerbe buki tuku na buku ni budini sa tegu meramba ile bu nambula bu ilabu ni nonta bunua sa tumbu talenga na bandurin bisnisi kasa ile besar na market ni vivoli sa tandola ay matanda ni kuwa ni kuni rebaka ni pusat ni kuni rebaka sa lama taru lama taru tak na be tubu bobo ni sambudina ni lebu na be tubu bobo erunda unde kamana balaten yo ni bolea mo ni sa dukala o na dona ngun salbo ko mimbi na purubura ni business bo ni sa lebu so tiko na ndau sarbonu ar siko mo na nomni bonua ni bangara so me baka tor de tak na re ni nomni tiko kena tar na bimbur ni hulangi ni sasanga mo ni bonduria so na business ni kana maro na sasal ni uduai mo ni rawata kin na nomni boli oya na ka oya na ni bosot oya na kai kena ura me baka ni sa tumbu tal tinga na nganda ni baka valitaki ni raw ni vinda na nomni ngele me lisikin na le ni bunua kauni na raw ni tumbu talanga kina na toke ni ngele ia ke baka ni na oni sanga ni alo bodengo na bonduria na business ngori ni bonde ke ba manda na be tiku era tiku bola ka tikamni sa da batale oni na raw ni takaba me baka buri labu be kemni era talanga ni buke kemni na matantu ena baka sama bobo ni bonduri business oni na poburia kana susunga na pen business ngori me da ni tumbu me bo butukana na sa tumbu sa tiko na ni business ena tumbu baka kina na raw ka bo labu ni nonda bonwa tiko sa na boni ni na te ka kandre na sorni kau ni matentu sa bakarau me wasia ni go be kemni na le ni bonwa tiko sa talanga na bonu ni na laki yang ena mbula baka bu wale ena koro kaya nga sa talanga ena nonda matentu
Proposed new investment company Manakoro Sonaka Selosi Emma Ranamalo Kasabu Naikasirma Lebu Suva Timori Mokumbula Napal Malayang Farmers Mai Tokai Malo Mai Ra